Om Namah Shivaya. As we were discussing about the concept of health, definition of health, physical health, mental health, social health according to WHO, let us understand about spiritual health and well-being according to WHO. Spiritual health is considered as an essential aspect of overall health and well-being. It encompasses a sense of connection to something greater than oneself and a sense of meaning and purpose in life. Yoga considers spiritual well-being as ultimate goal of human existence. Yoga views spiritual well-being as a state of union with the divine ultimate reality on one's own true nature. Certain principles of spiritual well-being are: Atma means self, Paramatma means ultimate reality, Dharma righteous living, Karma means action, understanding the law of cause and effect, and taking actions that promote spiritual growth and well-being. Yoga talks about spiritual health as it is a means to attain self-realization and inner peace. Spirituality involves exploring certain universal themes like love, compassion, and spiritual well-being refers to the human need for meaning, purpose, and connection to something greater than ourselves. Spirituality is a quest to know greater reality beyond the senses, intellect, and emotions. ಆಧ್ಯಾತ್ಮಿಕ ಯೋಗಕ್ಷೇಮವು ಆಧ್ಯಾತ್ಮಿಕ ಆರೋಗ್ಯವಾಗಿದ್ದು, ಆಧ್ಯಾತ್ಮಿಕ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಒಟ್ಟಾರೆ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಮತ್ತು ಯೋಗಕ್ಷೇಮದ ಅತ್ಯಗತ್ಯ ಅಂಶವೆಂದು ಪರಿಗಣಿಸಲಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಆಧ್ಯಾತ್ಮಿಕ ತತ್ವಗಳು ಎಂದರೆ ಆತ್ಮ, ಪರಮಾತ್ಮ, ಧರ್ಮ, ಕರ್ಮ. ಧರ್ಮ ಎಂದರೆ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಜೀವನ ನಡೆಸುವುದು, ಕರ್ಮ ಎಂದರೆ ಕಾರಣ ಮತ್ತು ಪರಿಣಾಮದ ನಿಯಮವನ್ನು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವುದು. ಓಂ ನಮಃ ಶಿವಾಯ.